Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain about directives. Basically, directives are used to extend the power of HTML attribute and to give shape and reshape to the DOM structures. Angular have three types of directive. First one is that component directive, second one is a structural directive, and third one is attribute directives. So component directive is the nothing but a class. Just if you open the source folder, that app component, so here if you look that app component, so that there is this one is that class only. So component directive is nothing but a class with that component component decorator. So this one is that decorator, and this one is that metadata. Because if you will look clearly here, is that this one export class, because this one is that app component is that only simple class, and because of that decorator and that metadata, this class converting into that component decorator. As we know, Angular application must have at least one component. In this project, if you will see that this component, that's app.component.ts, is that one component. So now we're going to add one more component, that is a sample. This one is the sample. If you will open that sample component, ts, this one is that selector. So this one, if you use that selector, that is a metadata of that component. So now this selector I am going to add into app component, app.ts, that HTML. Just delete this code. Okay. Now run the application. Now here you can see that it's running into port 4200. Now here you can see that in the app component I have called that sample component. So that means that because the directive is saying that if that directive will change that your DOM effect. So means that app component, your app component.html, we are changing that with that another component, that is a sample component. So this one is called a component directives. In the next video, we are going to learn about a structural directive. In a structural directives, Angular provided that ngIf, ngSwitch, and ngFor. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching.